how do we get robots to go out and collect data from the environment that can then be useful for studying, let's say, climate science. I work on robotics. Specifically, I work on multi-robot coordination. The big research question that my group tries to address is how can a team of robots coordinate with each other so that the team is performing better than the individuals. Currently, multi-robot systems, when they are deployed, they are brittle because a single robot failure can pretty much bring down the entire team. The goal is to design coordination algorithms for teams of robots so that even if a single robot or some subset of your robots go down, the team as a whole is resilient to these kinds of failures. Using robots for environmental monitoring, for precision agriculture, and for infrastructure inspection can be impactful in a number of ways. We are looking at precision agriculture where we are using teams of aerial robots as well as ground robots that can go out in a farm, collect data, and using that to do agriculture in a data-driven fashion. So you can use all of this data to understand what's happening in your farm, build a map of the health of your crops, and then target your fertilizer application at the right time and at the right places, which can lead to tremendous environmental benefits. Another area that I'm very excited about is to get robots to do inspection of civil infrastructure. In the US, there are hundreds of thousands of bridges that are mandated by law to be inspected every so often. So someone has to go out there and inspect the structure of the bridge to look for defects. The problem is right now, if you do this manually, so this can be a fairly tedious and dangerous process. In general, I like to call this as the 3D problem. We have tasks that are dull, that are dirty or dangerous, and these are the tasks that I think are prime for robots. The idea that we've been working on is how do we get a team of aerial robots that are equipped with high-resolution cameras that can do this inspection automatically. We are collaborating with the ERIB Initiative for Inclusion and Diversity in Computing, where we are going to be developing PRISM, a module that we can use to inspire a STEM mindset in middle schooler and high school students. Many of my projects, I collaborate with folks who work in adjacent areas. UMIAX has faculty who have expertise in computer vision, in machine learning, in computer graphics. These are all related areas where we can leverage their expertise in helping some of the robotics algorithms that we are developing. By having unprecedented access to data at a very high spatio-temporal resolution, which we just can't do manually, we can hopefully do better science from it.